Morning children. Today class 2 Math Political Science class 2. Natural meaning of political science. Natural meaning of political science. This is the one of the part of the political science chapter 1. So mainly five type of topics there in this chapter. Number 1, natural meaning of political science. Number 2, evolution of political science. Evolution of political science. Evolution of political science. Next, number 3, scope of political science. Scope of political science. Scope of political science. Next, number 4, significance of the political science. Significance of the political science. Next, number 5, political science and other social sciences. Political science and other social sciences. So, and other social sciences. So, introduction. Already yesterday clearly explained introduction. What is the meaning of political science? Political or polity, this is the meaning are same. So, form of the government. So, system of the government, and next how to formation of the government, political leaders, political parties and politics or polity, they are total science of the government. Here refers to science of the government. So mainly chapter 1, 5 topics are there in the chapter. Okay, natural meaning of political science. So what is the meaning of nature? Early human period. So natural meaning is commonly how to start our government and population and peoples, how to moving from one place to another place, forest area and villages and towns, cities, so etc. Natural meaning of political science. Yesterday already clearly explained. Political science is the science of the government, and political science is the every person, every man or woman, compulsory maintenance of the system, whole part of the government. So these are different type of society are totally small part in our society. The society formation of the government how to establish and elections. Example, so recently so many type of elections conducted all over India. Elections is the main important part of the government. Government change. So dirty politics also now recently totally changes compared to last 100 years back and present. Okay, natural meaning of political science. Polite is the one of the polis meaning political meaning one of the system of the government in society. Okay, number 2, evolution of political science. First one, natural meaning of political science. Number 2, evolution of political science. How to start up political movements. Here commonly people how to participate in elections. For example, right to vote, rights also one of the part of the in our society. So society, so many type of there. For example, in our society, gender females or males first preference in the female category. Why? What is the main reason? The reason is mainly illiterates or literates and next to gender bias compared to men and women. Once upon a time, 200 years back, only elections conducted some countries only. Example, Western countries only conduct the elections. After some decades after, the elections also process now change. VVPAT, UVM machines. Example, electronic voting machines. Okay, after 1952, total changes of the in our system in our India. So evolution of political science depth. This is the main depth evolution. How to start? The political refers to polite or political meaning same. The father of political science. You know already who is the father of political science? Who is the father of political science? Aristotle. So one of the greatest philosopher, Greek greatest philosopher, father of the political science. Evolution of political science, second type. Number 3, scope. The scope of political science. Scope, total depth. How to first how to start and present generation how to changes of the scope means it is the total depth of the political science. How to start? How to now continuous also there. No, not end. This is the systematic year to year, decade to decade, one decade to another decade. 10 years, 10 years. Example, decade means once 10 years is called decade. Okay, scope of political science. The scope, how to start, how to end, and the system of government. The government system, particularly majority is the main important of the in this word the political science. Majority of the people. Example. Lot of examples are there. Example, in our India, majority of the people Hindus. 85% people Hindus are there in our India. Compared to other countries, Christians, majority of the people. US example, United States, and next to Pakistan, majority of the people Muslims. Majority is the main important of the elections time. Scope of political science. The political theory, political system, fundamental right, example, human rights, fundamental rights, citizenships, and next to rights, next to fundamental duties. So these are the example of the scope of political science. So many scientists are explaining political the scope, how to start and how to end. Number 4, significance of the political science. So, significance of the political science, the scope. The scientists also decide first this is the politically how to changes the government compared to other Western countries to North-Eastern countries or South Asian countries or African countries compared to one country to another country with a lot of differences. Significance, the total theory, people's how to participate politically or political leaders also how to mainly gathering of the people, political leaders how to gathering directly or indirectly. There are different lot of online, offline is made of the directly conduct elections indirectly. So total theory of the significance of the political science. Number 4. Number 5. Political science compared to other social sciences. Political science and other social sciences. Social sciences meaning example history, geography compared to political science and other economics. Compared to economics or other political science, a lot of difference. So political science and compared to other social sciences. So this is the totally changes of other science. Science is the one of the whole government of the system. In government system, government part of the body. So these are the 5 types of the main important parts of the political science in first theory. So every one person, every citizen mainly directly helped of the every citizens. You compare example. Politically, every citizens participated in our society. Every citizen participated. Sometimes directly participated, sometimes indirectly participated. So directly or indirectly, way of method is totally different. But compulsory participated directly or indirectly. So political science and other social sciences. Political science is the one of the biggest ocean. What? This is so many ways, so many type of parts, so many type of depth. So many type of parts are there, so many scientists. Like example, Aristotle. Aristotle is the greatest philosopher in our society. And next, democracy system also changes in our society. Plato and Rousseau and Socrates. Okay, different. These are totally greatest philosophers. Philosophy, scientific philosophers. Science means not only general. Science is the one of the political science. The political and government also one of the affected. Mainly the citizenships also. Citizenships and rights also mainly affected of the science. So the concept mainly movement. The movement also, one of the movement also mainly changes of the political leaders. For example, recently political parties, some changes. Political leaders also mainly move from one place to another place, and one party to another parties. Political party to one party. For example, political parties how many types? Mainly two types. The political parties mainly how many types? Two types. First one, national party. National party. Second one, national party. First one. Second one, regional parties. National party or parties. One there means a party. One or two more there means a parties. National party or parties also. National parties. And second one, regional. Regional meaning area. Or our language mainly it is called regional means state wise. Regional parties. The state wise also mainly effect of the political system compared to one state to another state or one country to another country. Systematically is different state to state. So majority of the parties mainly national parties. Second one, regional meaning it is also called state or area. One state, one of the place, one of the region. Telangana, for example, one of the region, one of the state in our India. Example. So national, minimum 3 or more states. 3 or more. Minimum 3 or more states. Continuous ruling of the parties. 3 or more states continue ruling of the parties. It is called national parties. Second, regional parties. National means not only country level. National meaning one of the society also. Hindu society. Hinduism one of the nation. Christianism one of the nation. Country level. National means this meaning national meaning mainly country level of the parties. Country level of the parties. It is called the national parties. Second, regional, state wise. The state one of the state. Example, Rayalaseema, Coast Andhra. Example, only example. Coast Andhra. Example, Andhra Pradesh state, Coast Andhra, Rayalaseema, one of the region. So the political science totally compared to beginning of the 20th century and beginning of the 21st century totally changes. Example, before 1947 some political parties only there in our India. After 1947, 1951 to 2002, so many emergence of the many political parties. In our daily life also, political means not only political parties or political leaders. Daily life also affected in every person, every people. Daily life also affected political parties. So this political theory is mainly continuous are there. It is not only ending time, continuous. Total not only 100 years, 200 years, continuous. Okay, so 16th to 20th centuries, the 16th to 20th centuries, these centuries totally every country changed the developed. For example, Western countries only first developed of the countries in all over world. So the world is divided two equal parts: western side countries and eastern side countries. So the political system, political democracy example. Democracy is the one of the part of the political system. Constitution also, government and constitution. Present India is the biggest constitution all over world. India is the biggest constitution. What is the meaning of constitution? Constitution meaning mainly government, how to formation of the government, people's how to ruling in our people's how to ruling and elections and is to conduct the one person. Mainly totally these are total parts of the constitution. India is the biggest constitution. Example, United States, main smallest of the constitution. So India is the biggest of the constitution. The constitution total whole of government. So government how to working and next to how to changes of one person, CM or PM or the totally mainly roads and regulations. Act and rules and regulations mainly affected the constitution parts. So these are politically is the natural meaning. The last how to mainly start in 200 years. For example, Plato is the one of the greatest philosopher, scientific philosopher. Aristotle is also one of the greatest person. This political word mainly first explained clearly Aristotle and Plato, Rousseau also one of the Rousseau, Napoleon. So many type of scientists explained political theory, the political system, behavior, political theory and behaviorism also meaningful, totally clearly they explain meaningful in Aristotle, Plato and Greek, mainly Greece countries. These are persons mainly which country? Greece are Greek same. Greece are Greek. So in this system, political system, compared to other sciences and political science, there are lot of different. Other sciences mainly our daily life only explain, but political science our daily life including political movement, society, particularly society, the society, how to changes of the society present and compared to last 2 years back or 5 years back. So compared to last some years back, society how to their present society how to their totally clearly explained in the political science. So the political theory concept is the main important of part. Concept, what is main concept political science? This is the main important of the word. What is the main concept? The concept mainly every person or every citizenship. In political language it's called citizenship. Citizenship means if the country, for example, one person which country are there, it's called citizenship. Okay, citizenship. India is only single citizenship. US dual citizenship. Two types of citizenship. Citizenship means total the person. Example, one person which country are born, which country are dead. So which country are born, which country are minimum how many years? Minimum 20 years continuous in this country is settled time different. Born country born time different. Citizenship means minimum 5 years which countries are living is called citizenship. So the citizenship is also one of the whole part of the political life, the political science and political life. So this is one of the biggest theory system. Not only not only one time, not only 1 year, not only 2 years. Biggest continuous is the one of the like continuous system. So sustainable type. Sustainable meaning is continuous and large. This is the total sustainable type. Sustainable. Sustainable meaning continuous and large and continuous. Continuous or large. So political theory also sustainable type. Sustainable development. Sustainable development. Example, development means not only 1 year or 2 years. Continuous develop there. So not this continue process. This process continues there. Not only fix 1 or 2 years. This is called the sustainable development. Sustainable or continuous or large. So equity is the one of the part of in the system, political life system. In this system, democracy is the one of the part of political life. Democracy is here two type of system there already you know. It's a monarch type of system. Second, democracy system. Monarch type of system meaning is people's totally indirectly. The king only monarch. Monarch means king only total freedom and king only total directly or indirectly attacked. King only total decisions given. The decisions also given mainly king only, king or queen. It is called monarch type of system. Democracy system is totally different. Opposite monarch and democracy. These two words total opposite words. Monarch means not only some the one person only total authority and power of the country. Monarch type of system, king or queen, any male or female, anyone. Okay, the democracy is totally different. Democracy mainly people's only directly elected, directly elections. This democracy, political science also one of the election system also mainly for elections time. Every 5 years or 4 years or 6 years, different countries, different type of country elections. In India, every 5 years conduct the elections. How many years? Every 5 years. 5 years after 5 years. Every 5 years after conduct the elections. For example, US, United States of America. How many years have conduct elections? 4 years. Every 4 years. And next, Mexico. How many years of conduct elections? 6 years. So some countries 4, some countries 5. Okay, 1 or 2 countries 6. Different countries. The way of method, way of rule, political rule, way of system, totally different. 5 years, 4 years, and 6 years. So here elections India, for example, compared to our India and compared to other country, any other country, last compared to Western country or neighboring country also, totally change of the government. The politically some countries also failure, politically failure. For example, Myanmar is the one of the first monarch type of country, now democratic country. India is neighboring country, Myanmar. So this old name Myanmar, you know old name Burma. Okay, politically total failure Myanmar. The political life, democratic also and constitution also. And next compare some countries successful are there. Some countries political life successful. Some states the total whole part. Not only compared to one country to another country, they are total difference. Enthusiasm. So feelings. Okay. These are the 5 parts. These 5 parts main important parts of the chapter 1. Nature, meaning of political science, evolution of political science, scope of the political science, significance of the political science, political science and other social sciences, polity or political. It refers to the polity is refers to one city of the state. One city of the state means, for example, one city of the court, one city of the state. Here different means their polity. Polity refers to the political and system. E-governance. Example, e-governance was there. E-governance meaning here E means electronic governance. Okay. Here e-governance system. Government also mainly follow the in different type of rules. E-governance system and scope of the government. Okay, next system of the government. Systematically conduct the elections in our India. Example. So sometimes disturbance also there. The disturbance time also systematically conduct them, but sometimes failure, sometimes successful. Here constitution different countries different type of follow the system there. Okay, here rights. Rights also, right? What is the meaning of right? Right means RIGST. Right means mainly rights. There are two types: human rights, fundamental rights. Right means the one person or one citizenship. The citizenship mainly power, the people's power. Here right means in our language people's power. People's power. One of the strong power people's only. So political system strongly power people's only. The people's only main power of the in this system. Political theory. Okay. So rights, human rights and fundamental rights. Okay. Next, social sciences. Compared to our political system and social sciences, here differences are there. Okay. So it is the enthusiasm. For example, politically refers to the in Western Central middle of the Asian countries, Central or middle of the Asian countries. Middle of the Asian countries, for example, Greece, or next Italy, next etc. Greece, Italy, and next Spain, Portugal, Spain continues. So main of the countries only first, so for example, Britishers came to our India mainly business purpose, working purpose. So main of the nations countries only total changes of the political system. So this introduction of political theory, natural meaning of political science, and next to evaluation of political science. Number 3, scope, depth, details. The scope, totally how to first start and continuous and how to end. Scope of political science. Scope of the political science. Next, significance, the starting point, ending point. Significance of the political science and other social sciences. The political system, the concept. Mainly, the concept is totally different from the political system and other system. Political system and other system. So, greatest philosophers, every greatest philosophers clearly explain the political science. The philosophers are totally clearly explained. Different person, different type of meaningly explain greatest philosophers. So is this 5 types, 1 and 2 and next to 3, 4 and 5. These 5 types main important of the parts of chapter 1. Okay, main important part of the chapter 1. Again clearly natural meaning of political science. Natural, you first how to start and how to continues and how to end. Natural. Early human how first settled forest area and traveling one place to another place and settled forest area and migration and mainly discovered fire and discovered the and mainly homes of afterwards so increase the population. So step by step natural meaning of political science. Number 2, evaluation the system how to start the clearly depth evaluations ending point, starting point, ending point, conclusion. Evaluation of political science. Next to scope of the political science. The scope, the main, what is main scope of the political science? Scope means here totally first details, total details of the political science, political leaders and political system and political concept. Number 4, significance of the political science. Significance, the rules and regulations, how to mainly start rules and regulations, and law system, judicial system, and court level significance of the political science. Number 5, political science and the social sciences compared to other sciences, other parts, and compared to only one side of political science. Not is which is the total refers to